Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete photos on your iPhone, but keep them in Google Photos. Now, let's use this photo as an example of me in an airplane. So if I wanted to delete this on the Photos app, here you can see it in the Photos app in my iPhone, but I wanted to keep it on Google Photos, it's a bit different than you normally would work through the process, because if I open up Google Photos here, for example, and tap on the trash can icon, it says this photo will be deleted from all your iCloud devices. Now, if I hit delete here and go back, you can see it's no longer in Google Photos and it is no longer in my iPhone. But I only wanted to delete it from my iPhone and keep it as a backup in Google Photos. So I'll show you how to do that. Let's bring it back just by going into my deleted folder here, and I'm going to hit recover and recover. Now let's go back to the beginning and I'll show you how to get this back. So let's open up the Google Photos app here and wait till it reloads with that photo. I might need to close out of it and open it up again and wait for it to load up again. It might take a little bit for it to load up again. Let's see if it will do it at this point. All right, well, it's not doing that. But let's use a different photo as an example. Let's say this one. Now, if you wanted to keep this on Google Photos, but delete it from your iPhone, instead of tapping that trash can icon, which will delete it from both, instead, we're going to tap on those three dots at the top right. Now, from here, you'll be able to see it gives you the option that says delete from device. If I tap on delete from device here and then hit delete, you'll be able to see I can go back and it is still in the Photos app of Google Photos. However, if I open up the Photos app on my iPhone, there it is. It just got deleted. So now it is only as a backup in Google Photos, but not existing on my iPhone or Android. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.